Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. And I'm here at the Hanover Buffalo Bayou, looking at this gorgeous one bedroom. This is the F4 plan. It's about 760-ish square feet. It's beautiful. Look at this. It's just like the perfect Houston high rise. They've done a fantastic job. This is just recently opened. It's beautiful. You're gonna have incredible views of the city. I mean, like a high rise should have, and they have it. You're gonna have a great balcony experience looking out on the city in these beautiful Hanover Buffalo Bayou area. You're going to have a gorgeous kitchen to entertain and just to take care of yourself, but also to entertain others. It's a pretty experience. You'll love it, and people that come over are going to love it too. They've even included a little extra handy features like this built-in computer desk. It's just beautiful. And then you've got this beautiful bed here too. The bed is just gorgeous. So you've also got in here a beautiful dual sink. And the dual sink is here, and then you've got a beautiful bathroom shower too. It's a beautiful experience here, and why not make it a beautiful day and beautiful year for yourself? Send me a text and just say, "Hey Grant, I'd like to do an iPhone tour of the Hanover Buffalo Bayou." That would be perfect. We can set that up even today. It's a great way to see what's available without having to come visit. If you're in LA, you're in Boston, if you're in Rome, and you want to do that, we can take care of that for you over the phone. We can also, of course, do a live view for you too, anytime. Hey, send me a text. I look forward to hearing from you. My number is below. Let's just say hi. Look forward to hearing from you.